time and destiny have gathered up to see me screw it up.